So, in our last episode, we made the fun counting game using tissue rolls. And today, we're back with a brand new counting activity with a twist. Lollipop number cards and clay balls. After already creating the tissue-based rolls, I cut and pasted numbers 6 to 10 into tissue rolls to make them look more colorful and attractive. You can also write these numbers using colorful pens. And as you noticed in our last episode, I also randomly pasted the numbers here just to put a little challenge for the kids to make. Don't forget to check the link below where I show how I made the tissue roll base. It's like 2-in-1 activity in one craft. It saves time and resources. Then, the next step is I drew lollipop shapes with numbers on them. Then, I made small clay balls ready for the counting game. If you're new to our channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And here how it works now. The lollipops are placed upside down, so when kids pick one, they get a surprise number. Then we match that number to the correct tissue roll and place the same number of clay balls inside. It's simple but exciting way to practice counting, number recognition, and fine motor skills. What number is that? 9. Where's number 9? Put there. Let's put there. 9. What number is that? Oops. 8. Asan ang 8? Oh, put 8. 1.
3, 4, 7,
8. What number? 10. 10. Let me see 10. 10.